Sanity here with a new video for you. This time I'm gonna do an in-depth guide or tutorial for Steam and the other platforms as well, like Steemit and Dtube and other juicy stuff. So I'm gonna start by explaining some important stuff. Once again, it will be first updated video because I made in the past videos as well. This video it's from this year, as you can see, 2018, and I'm gonna discuss or rediscuss some things about Steemit, new things that you can use as a new user, also things that maybe you know or don't know about Steemit, because I want to be very thorough about this subject. Okay, so I am this site, it's steam.io. In steam.io I found this Steam blue paper. I suggest you guys to read it. It's not so long, it's just 7 pages. Does say a little bit about what is this platform. It's a very interesting platform from quite some time actually, and it grows and grows more and more. It becomes more stable and more powerful. So a short introduction. Steam provides a scalable blockchain protocol for publicity, accessible and immutable content, along with a fast and feeless digital token called Steem, which enables people to earn the currency by using their brain, what is called proof of brain. The two building blocks of this protocol, both a blockchain and a token, depend on each other for security, immutability, and longevity, and are therefore integral to each other's existence. Steam has been successfully operating for over a year now and has now exceeded both Bitcoin and Ethereum in numbers of transactions processed. This is amazing. This is a very good thing. Like right from the start, when Steam appeared, many people did not know what it is, and as soon as that, people start blogging, vlogging, and writing, or even like on Instagram they just put pictures, photographs about stuff, and they get upvoted and they earn, some people, a lot of money. Even some people, they use tutorials or movies, their own movies, they earn opinions on stuff, and they saw that they can do a living. It's a real platform. Unlike others, this is a real thing you can do, and might even save your life. I can say your way of living. They can change it. They can give you opportunities. You can be better. Maybe you just been fired from your job. Maybe you search a new job, and this can be it. So this was the blue paper. I just read about a little bit for you. If you want more information, you want to check this site, maybe you want to see their blog, just go here, see the informations, see the guys. You see, this is a meeting. This is this Steamfest 2016, a community organized global conference held in Amsterdam. So you see here real people, real faces, these amazing and beautiful faces from the community. If I could go, I would go also. This is amazing. These writers and contributors and developers, go there and just meet the people. If you see a face, and if you see something, it's just better to see someone in the face and to go to a meeting to communicate and socialize. Very good. If you press this tab here from on the right corner, you can see here many information about the tokens, about the developer, the blue paper that just I show you, Steam blog, some blog explorer, and Rocket Chat. The Rocket Chat, actually it's Steemit chat. It's a little bit here different, and this join Steemit. You can press this button and you can go to Steemit and create your account. Okay, so let's assume that I press this button because I already have an account. You'll have a page like this. On my page I talk about just everything, from my experiences to food to cryptocurrencies, like Dentacoin here, or just Bitcoin, diverse sites, or just my life. Or for example, I like to cook, why not? So whatever I like to do, I have different subjects that I want to share with you guys. So this is how the page is looking. as you can see here, you have a Steemit, trending, new, hot, promoted, and a search bar. Then post, then my profile. If you click it, you see here these pages: feed, blog, comments, reply, wallet, toggle night mode if you want, password settings, and logout button. This is basic. This is very good. And the feed, it's the feed of my followers, I mean the people that I followed actually. The blog, my blog, comments that I made, replies to my comments, and wallet, I will show you a little bit later. So trending, they're the trending posts, new are the new posts, hot are the, well, hot posts and promoted are the posts that people are giving Steam or Steam dollars to promote the content. On the top you can search for other people or content, then you can find it if it's in the blockchain. So okay, you see here whatever it is, this is a new. So assuming you press the button, now you must join. How you join? So it will be a page that it asks you login with your Facebook or Reddit. If you have one of those accounts, you can connect. It can be instant, or you have to wait some hours, minutes, or days. Well, that being said, can be instant. For me, it was instant. So I had made an account and I start blogging. So what should you write about? Let's post something, shall we? Let's do it. You press the post button. You write a title. One moment. That was my title, so we can begin to write something. This is only for test, just to show you guys what you should write and how you should write your first post without not knowing what you should write. Just you can follow my example, then you can make your own post. I'll write the example and then I will explain each one row. Okay. Okay, so as you can see here, I made just a few commands that you can use. If you want to know how to use the whole commands, you can go here on Mark Styling Guide and you can use the command, or you can just follow what I say. So I use a title: hello, I'm John, just for testing. I am John and I like cars, dogs, and sci-fi books. Hello to all Steam users. So and down I use the introduce myself tag. This tag I recommend if it's your first post and you've proven yourself using your this first tag. You prove that you exist and you are here. So you can use other tags. You can use 5 tags, up to five tags, and this proves your identity. Here on the first one proves your identity. So going back to here, I use this for the title. As you can see here, I highlight these comments. You can make it like this. You can center. You use this markdown, yeah, center, then you close it here and center it again. Okay, then if you want to enumerate or numerate some items, this is like, for example, ingredients or something like that, or I was talking about this, you can use these commands. You make press space, then line, then space again, and you can enumerate the item that you want. After that, it will appear a dot, as you can see here, that it will show your items. Now, if you want to highlight a special item that you like, you can use this one. As you can see, this highlights your item. Books, you see here, it's like a little bit bold. And if you put one more, yeah, and one more here, it will be italic plus bold. So highlighted like this, books. So these are the most basic and simple commands that I like to use. There are also others that you can find here. You can go on Markdown styling guide and you can just press it. Now, okay, so I was just telling you guys, so if you're using this category, you can earn a lot of money right from your first post. But how to make it? When you make an introduce myself, you make a post similar to this. You must show also that you're a real person. This is how you enter Steemit, and you introduce yourself, your personality, your traits, who you are. You can say whatever you like about yourself, and you can put a picture about yourself. We can put a picture with a date or just a picture about with your face, and some indication that hello, I'm a date 2018 if it's the current date or something like that. Hello, I come to Steemit. Doing this is the exact way and the proper way to introduce yourself to Steemit site. So okay, so you want now to post a picture we just made with our phone. How to do it? You just insert them by drag and drop, pasting it here, or you can select them. I press select. I have some pictures here. For example, I want to post this one. I just press double click. Now the image is loading, and now let's see it. Oh my goodness, the image loaded. It's centered already, as you can see here, and it's simple as that. And maybe you want to load a video or something. I suggest when you load a video, it's a video that I made on maybe YouTube, that you personally made on your channel. If you have a channel already, maybe you have a channel, you can just go on the channel. This is, for example, is Fine Bros, and you go on the current video that is your own or other people, and just copy this. Okay, I want more, and paste it here, and the video appears here. If I click it on the preview tab, already the video works and I can see it. It's simple as that. It's already centered, it's looking good, it's very informative. It's like being already on the site. So these are the most important things that you can do on a blog. And if you want to introduce yourself, this is the basic and the most best thing you can do. You can either post a video about yourself talking, and then post it, put it here, and using this tag introduce myself, then using other 4 tags, or you can do in the way that you like. This is the best way that I can teach you. So it's simple as that. I just show you how to use Steemit. Okay, so let's say you already have your, I will just clear this because this was for testing. If you already have a post, now how, maybe you are new, how to make a little bit more money or people notice you, because you're new on the site. Even if you're using the tag, people maybe don't know you. So how to do this? You can go on Steemit chat. For example, first thing you must do, just go here. Okay, just copy this and go on Steemit chat. This, you see here Cynetic, this is my account here, and this is some places that I can show you. If you go here, for example, you can promote your content. Go on promotion tab, and what it says here, shamelessly promote all your content here, and just paste here. You send it, and it will show here. As you can see, many people already post their content here, and this increases the chances that some person can see your content, and they click it on it, they will see the link, and they will upvote you. Like this, you'll be more known by many other persons. As you see, you can use post and run. You'll also here, you just post it and runs, whatever. Post promotion. If you all this, you can just copy and see whatever I have here. You can use also as well. And you can post your content and people will notice you. This is one way of being noticed, and another way is using Discord. On Discord you can type SteamTrail. On SteamTrail you can see there are many tags you can use: philosophy, science, self-help, feminism, education, Steemit, so much things you can do. And then when you find for example the the trade that you're discussing. For let's see what we have here. Steemit, yeah. You press it and you just paste your content. Fluffy lies, yeah. There you go. Simple as that. People will see it and will click on it and upvote if they like you. It's as simple as that. This is how you promote your content free of charge on Steemit platform. Now there is another way of making videos, and this I'm going to discuss in a future video, but I will also a little bit explain here. So if you want to make your videos and not use this YouTube, because it starts to become more complicated now with YouTube, it's just just as simple as that. You can go here, you can join this platform. This is called Dtube, and you can make videos from here. Once you make a video here, it will automatically be posted also on Steemit if you have a content linked with this site. So I will show you, because this is my Dtube account officially, and the post. When I posted here, it appeared here exactly like this. This was the description in the video, yeah, gaining. This what happened. So if I click it, as you can see, this is a platform that belongs to Steemit. This is a platform where you can make your own videos, be voted on, and gain actually money. Like using Steemit, this is a new platform that will soon take off more and more and be very competitive against YouTube, and it will be an awesome platform. It's fairly new, but it is improving, and it will be more and more better by the time it's passing. So I will explain more about Dtube. For the time being, this video a little bit big now. I will end my message here. Please don't forget to like, subscribe for gaining more content. I will do my best, and don't forget to press that like button and the bell button to receive notification when I'll make a video. And until next time, Cynetic out.